Hey guys, I'm Jordan. Today we're going to replace the drain pump on a GE washer. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or has been damaged. Before we get started, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can see more guided repairs. We appreciate your support. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we need a 3/8" nut driver, pliers, and a putty knife. While you're getting those together, please remember to keep safety first. Always unplug your washer or switch off the circuit breaker before you do any testing or repairs. You'll also want to turn off your water supply. To access the drain pump, you'll need to remove the front panel of the washer. Use a putty knife to find the 2 clips under the top panel at the front. Then push in with the putty knife until it releases the panel. Next, take the front panel and at a slight angle, pull it off the lower tabs to remove it from the cabinet. The drain pump will be at the bottom right. You can remove the old drain pump by first removing the 2 hoses running to it. You can press in on the clamps and slide the hoses off. It's a good idea to have a towel handy in case there is any water left in the hoses. Then you can disconnect the wire harness. Once those are removed, use a 3/8" nut driver to take out the 2 screws that hold the pump to the base. To reinstall, put the new drain pump back on with the 2 screws. Next, reattach the wire harness. Then slide the hoses back on and use pliers to put the clamps back over the hose end to secure it to the pump. After that's done, you can put the front panel back on the lower tabs and then line up the sides so all the tabs on the sides fit into the panel. Once those are lined up, push in on the top of the front panel to keep it back under the clips on the top panel. Lastly, turn the water supply back on. You made it. Great job, and thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten the replacement drain pump yet, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. Don't forget to plug your washer back in or turn that breaker back on. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thanks for your support, and we'll see you next time.